Toby, our little fur child, full of life fun, and loves the excitement, chasing trains and the buses travel, and exploring parks. He was full of fun, chasing his tail, scratching my head, licking us, sharing beds. He loved the beaches and cuddles, Deb's brother Michael too. Miss him standing at the toilet door, barking and grumble, our little buddy. The games he adores, his Squeaky and Pooh Bear, cute and mischief, we love him so. Over the years he's traveled, looking out car windows, not missing anything. But it's so harder now he's not there. But the last few months he slowed down a lot, from running to barely walking, barking to whimpering, fighting hard. A battle that he was not winning, his jumping was no more. Couldn't go upstairs, laid on the floor. The life of our little mate was fading away. We watched him struggle that final fight, slipped away peacefully into doggy light. We found it harder than hell to let him go. Now little mate chasing the doggy rainbow, it's like a heart ripped from our souls. Debbie and me will be lost forever. Today was his final straw, could get up, no fight at all. This was it for him. Our bestest firecracker Toby, finger biter, lovable by all. This was the day when his angels gave him a call. He's now resting in peace. We love you, Toby, in our hearts forever. We love you, mate.